Yo, what's up YouTube? It's Apollo 1K back with another video. Today guys, we're gonna be doing some small modifications on the Gsxr. There's some cosmetic stuff. Well, one of them is cosmetic, but they say it helps. So we're gonna see guys. Now I want you guys to let me know what you guys think of the build after I get done with it and everything. And yeah man, just like, subscribe, comment. I got a lot of stuff coming next year, a lot of great, amazing things for the bike. Gonna be changing everything out. She's looking pretty good, pretty good. I ain't rode in a minute. Alright guys, I'm back. The first thing we're going to be installing on the Gsxr 1000 is going to be Samco hoses. Yeah, I know I want to get the colors and stuff, so I want to get a little bit more blue, incorporate a little more blue into the bike. So we're going to be changing the hoses into the Samco hoses. And I got one more surprise for you guys. Stay tuned guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, this is everything on. The only thing I gotta put on now is the fairings. I'm really liking the turnout, how she look. Really good. Really good, guys. We're gonna put these fairings, I'm gonna crank her up for you guys, let you guys hear it real quick.